Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This is the third video for the Google Tour Creator. This video is going to show you how to add an image to your points of interest and upload an audio clip. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you should see new tour templates. Underneath that, you should find what your project was that you're working on. Mine, I know, is this one. I don't know why it's not loading, but we'll go ahead and click on it. Alright, here's my cover page. I have my first scene listed down here under information on rainforests. This is not the scene I'm going to work on today. I'm going to add a new scene because we are on scene 2. I'm going to upload a file from my computer. I've already found this file online. If you want to know how to do that, you'll have to watch the second video. Here's rainforest image 3. I'm going to add this scene. Oh, it has this weird watermark, but that will be okay. So here's my third scene. I'm going to title, let's see, for my description or for my directions, I know that this scene is all about the biodiversity in the area. I will add a location. You may pause the video to do that now. And then I will add a point of interest. My first point of interest needs to be a mammal from the rainforest. An example of this might be a jaguar. So I would put jaguar as my title. I would give a description of the jaguar. So, for example, the jaguar lives in the rainforest, and then I might give some information about the jaguar. Example, I might put that this cat is one of the larger mammals that reside here. Okay. So now I have my point of interest. I know that I can drag this around wherever I want. Maybe I want it here. And now there are two options below my description. This first option, it says add image overlay. This is how I'm going to add an image to this point of interest. And the second one is add site narration. This is an audio clip, a narration for the scene to be read to you if you were to view this, if it were public and you were to view it. Let's go ahead and click on the add image overlay. Alright, so now you'll want to select an image. Again, you will have to find this image online before you save it to your computer. So I have an image of a jaguar. I will add this image to my point of interest. It is massive, so I'm going to take the corners and drag it down a little bit to be smaller. Click on this. Alright, so I'm going to make it smaller, much smaller, so that it doesn't cover up my entire scene. I can move it around as well, as you can see. So now, if I click away from this, if I just click off to the side, and I'm looking around, I notice a point of interest here. When I click on it, I see the picture. It tells me information about the jaguar and information about it living in the rainforest. Okay, you will have to do this for all of the requirements for scene 2, the mammals and birds and any insects that you would like to post about. Just make sure that you're following the description for scene 2. You do have to add an image. Okay, our next step is to adding an audio clip. So if you look back over here at our point of interest, we've already have an image. We're going to now add site narration, which you can watch the 4th video that I post. It's going to start at this exact point, but I wanted it to be 2 separate videos.